Hi guys, I am here to talk to you about the recent letter which has come to the light of people. I'm talking about the letter a parent has sent to the dean stating how her child was harassed by JRs 2 and 3. I am skeptical about joining my post graduation as me being an MBBS doctor. The very reason being, I know what it takes. I mean, how much it takes to be a JR1. I've seen my JR1s in my hospital during my internship do it. They do the same. They were not this toxic as such because JR2 3 were good as well. But this kind of toxicity is शुडन बी टॉलरेटेड बिकॉज आप देख रहे हो कि कैसे जो JR2 है वो लिटरली जेलर के जैसा काम कर रहे हैं. दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू स्लीप. JR1s आर नॉट इवन अलाउड टू स्लीप. दे आर नॉट इवन अलाउड टू बेथ. वॉट डे भी कॉल डे जैसा हो रहा है. लेट मी ओके फॉर दोज पीपल हु आर स्टिल इन द अंडर ग्रेजुएट, let me explain to you what happens during your internship and during the JRship. During your internship, you will see that in every department you will be divided into units, right? Suppose मान लो कि आप मेडिसिन में हो, 5 यूनिट है आपके पास. So basically unit 1 will have its OPD day on Monday, right? And that will be your call day on Monday. Like 24 hours will be your call day. But again, my JRs were so humble. They allowed us to divide. So we used to go for 12 hours shift. Like subah 12 hours and raat ko 12 hours, right? But the JRs do not have any kind of privilege like that because there will be only 2 and 3 JR1s in one unit. So what happens is that's your call day. And बाकी दिन जो है आपके ward day बनते हैं 6 days. So what happens कि कभी कभार क्या होता है कि since 5 units है and there are 7 days in a week, कभी कभार double call day आ जाता है. Here's all knowledge you need about internship and JRship, right? Now let's talk about how पेशेंट्स तो मेंटली हेरास करते ही है डॉक्टर्स को. हाउ डॉक्टर्स आर ऑल्सो हेरासिंग डॉक्टर्स, फेलो डॉक्टर्स. दिस लेटर स्टेट्स दैट द JRs were so cruel कि they were not allowed to eat, and this has nothing to do with call day. Everything there it's written कि वो हुआ है every day for the past 2-3 months, I guess. And what if I tell you there is no checking authority on this matter? If you take this up to a lecturer, the lecturer might say that अरे ये तो हमारे साथ भी हुआ था. But let's just not make it normal. मुझे नहीं लगता है ये नॉर्मल है. It's not preparing you for any kind of future. You should, I mean, I could literally, मुझे अभी भी याद है कुछ JRs जो थे इंटर्नशिप के टाइम में भी ऐसे बोलते थे हमें कि we are preparing you for the future. But what if I say that ऐसा future जो 24 घंटे, like you are making a doctor unhealthy to a point that he or she herself or himself is a patient. So what kind of a future are you building for a doctor? That's just pointless and useless. Why doctors are in a toxic environment? But first of all, let me tell you, being a doctor is not a 9 to 5 job. If you're tending to a patient who is your unit, it's a 24-hour call, even if it's a call day or not a call day. Yes, but that doesn't mean you will give toxicity to people who are junior to you just because you have the power to. There should be actions taken. You cannot make this kind of phone. भाई तुमको टॉक्सिसिटी हो रही है इतना, ये तुम खुद ऊपर जाके बताओ ना अपने SRs को, अपने लेक्चरर्स को. तुम नीचे का है. That's just so bad. But again, that makes me wonder if I am ready for this kind of toxicity.